All right, I'm back with another HomeDepot.com tool deals of the day. It is Monday, August 17th, 2026. I hope you had a great weekend. And we're starting off the week with some good deals on the daily deals today. Many from Milwaukee, DeWalt, Ryobi, and Ridgid. I will have an affiliate link down in the description below, as well as a pinned comment that'll take you right to the deals page. And if you use the link to make a purchase, I will get credit for the sale. The best part is it won't cost you any more money, but it does help support the channel. And again, thank you to everyone who uses the link. I really do appreciate it. All right, to get started, they have the M12, the 2-tool combo kit with the hammer drill, impact driver, with the 2 regular batteries that it comes with, and the charger. And they paired this again with that 5 amp hour high output battery for the $249, saving $110. That's 31% off. That is a good deal on it. That battery, as you probably already know, the retail value is $129. And they did bring back a deal on the 1/2-inch stubby M12. They have that paired also with the 5 amp hour high output battery for $229. It is saving $120. That's 34% off. That is a good deal on this kit. And then they have the M18 of the 2-tool combo kit with a compact drill and impact driver combo kit. They have it with 3 batteries total, and the charger in the bag for the $229, saving $130. That's 36% off. And then they have the track saw with a high output 6 amp hour battery for $399, saving $220. 36% off. And just so you know, that does not include a track. It's the track saw only. And they did bring back a deal on the DeWalt 15 amp 12-inch dual bevel sliding compound miter saw for a $393 today. It is saving $236. That's 38% off. They did have a better deal last week, price around $360, just so you know, in case you missed that video. This is still a good deal though at $393. The deal price at Lowe's is $399, and the regular retail price, according to the site here, is $629. This is the one without the cut line system, just so you're aware of that. And the next one, again, I'll recommend passing on. It's on the brush model of the drill and impact driver with the 2 batteries charger for $169, saving $70. That's 29% off. And they have a deal on the brush model of the 6.5-inch circular saw for $113, it's saving $46. 29% off. And the next one I'd also recommend passing on, because it's $149 for a 6 amp hour and 4 amp hour DeWalt battery with a charger. It's a 4 amp charger. They do say it's saving 57%, but I think this was the kit that they had during the last holiday time for $199, and you're getting a free tool. So it's not a great deal here today just for that battery kit alone. All right, now we'll get into some Ryobi options. They have the high pressure inflator with a battery, which is a 2 amp hour one, and the charger for $85. It's saving $53, 38% off. And they have the 18 gauge Airstrike brad nailer with a 2 amp hour battery for $149, saving $89. That's 37% off. And here's a better deal today compared to last week on the Ryobi hybrid fan with 2 batteries, which are 2 amp hour ones. And they have it this time paired with a oscillating tool. And they have the other option over here with a D-handle jigsaw. But this one with the oscillating tool is $138. It is saving $213. That's 61% off. So last week, the deal that they had on the hybrid fan was getting the 2 batteries in the fan for $129, or it might have been $120 actually. I remember it not being a great deal on that one. This is a better deal here today for only $138, getting that extra tool. And the same thing goes for the $134 with the D-handle jigsaw. Another good deal. It is saving $217. That's saving 62%. All right, now back to some Milwaukee M12 options. They have the one-handed recip saw. This is the fuel model, and they have that with the battery as well as a 5 amp hour high output battery for $179, saving $130. That is an excellent deal today. That's saving 42%. And they have a deal on the M12 inflator with a battery. Looks like a 2.0 battery for $169. It's saving only $30. That's 15% off. Not such a great deal here today compared to previous times. Then they have the M18 of the 4,000 lumen Rover LED AC/DC floodlight with a 2 amp hour battery for $169, saving $120, 42% off. Then they have the cordless M12 copper cutter with a high output battery for $149, saving $90. That's 38% off. And that is a 2.5 amp hour high output battery, by the way. And they did bring back a great deal on the Ridgid of the 2 of the 4 amp hour max output batteries and the charger for $79. In case you missed out in previous weeks where they had this deal, This is a good chance to get it again. These are their newer batteries out to the market for 79 bucks. 2 4-amp-hour batteries is an awesome deal. And they say it's saving 74%, $229 off. Next good deal from Ridgid is on the high torque impact wrench with 2 of the 4-amp-hour max output batteries for $199, saving 358 bucks. That's 64% off. And then they have the deal again on the Ridgid 3-tool lighting kit for $142, saving $165, 54% off. And I think they had this lower in previous times. I think they had it around $120 or $129. So not so much of a great deal today. And the next Ridgid option is on the 8-tool combo kit with a 2-amp-hour and 4-amp-hour battery and charger for the $399, saving 200 bucks, 33% off. It is a decent deal on that one. Basically, it's $50 a tool, so you really can't beat that one. And the next one, again, I recommend passing on the 2 DeWalt 5-amp-hour batteries with the 2-amp-hour ones for the $297, saving $82, 22% off. That's not a great deal. And they have the Porter Cable 23 gauge pin nailer for 47 bucks, saving $59.59. That's 56% off. And they have the DeWalt 20 volt 15 gauge angled finish nailer with a 4-amp-hour battery for $409, saving $139, 25% off. I don't know if you guys seen any of the videos recently that came out from both DeWalt and Milwaukee on the new tools they're coming out with. So they are coming out with some new DeWalt nailers, just so you're aware. And they actually look pretty solid compared to previous versions. One thing I don't like about DeWalt nailers is that they do that wind up when you go to nail it. And I think the new ones have improved that some, but it still does it. All right, next options from DeWalt for $299 is a FlexVolt 12-amp-hour battery with that 12-amp fast charger for the $299, saving $169 bucks, 36% off. And here is a good deal on the M12 of the 1/4-inch right-angled die grinder with a 5-amp-hour high-output battery for $199, saving 140 bucks. That's 41% off. That is a good deal today on this kit. This is the newer version of that right-angle die grinder. Then they have the 1-inch impact wrench with a high-output 6.0 battery for $849, saving 240 bucks. 22% off. And here's another good deal on the M12 of the 3/8 right angle impact wrench with a 5-amp-hour high output battery for $229. It's an awesome deal, saving 120 bucks, 34% off. That's almost getting that battery for free. Then they have the Milwaukee 7.25-inch 24-tooth wood cutting framer circular saw blade for $6, saving $2, 25% off. They're gonna have a better deal on other blades. And they do have some outdoor power equipment if you're interested in checking that out. They do have some decent savings, like on the 40-volt system, you're getting the string trimmer and the blower, as well as a 4-amp-hour battery and the charger for $169. That is a pretty solid deal on that one. But continuing on, I'll keep going and I'll skip through these. And they also have deals on the Anchor brand of the solar generators again, with okay savings of 15% off, 21% off, 17%. So if you're in the market for anything like that, certainly check it out. All right, some other deals from Ryobi. They have the hybrid fan. This time they have it paired with a 5-inch random orbit sander for the $134, saving 60%. That's $198 supposedly in savings. It does come with the 2-amp-hour batteries and the charger. Again, that's a decent deal, just like above the other options with the oscillating tool and the D-handle jigsaw. So just depending on what tools you need, these are okay deals here today. And the same thing goes for the next one with the angle grinder and that fan again for $134, saving 60%. Next Ryobi options on the 10-inch variable speed random orbit buffer with a 2-amp-hour battery for $59.97, saving 89 bucks, 60% off. That's a good deal. Then they have the hybrid fan again, this time with the inflator with the 2-amp-hour batteries for the $135, saving $207, 61% off. And for $199, you could pick up the 18-volt of the Ridgid 8-amp-hour max output batteries for the $199, saving $130, 40% off. And this next one, I'd recommend passing on the Ridgid D-handle jigsaw with the brad nailer for the $329. It still seems expensive to me for these Ridgid tools. They do say they're saving 69 bucks. That's 17% off. And here's a decent deal on the Ridgid 18-volt track saw. It's a kit with a 6-amp-hour max output battery, as well as the tracks. And it looks like it has even the connectors too. Yeah, 2 connectors, so you can connect 2 of the 27.5-inch track sections together. And it even has a track clamp for the $429, saving 169 bucks. That's 28% off. Another DeWalt nailer deal, and I imagine we're probably going to be seeing more DeWalt nailer deals, but just because of the new ones that they are coming out with here soon, I think in Q4 and into the next year. So $379 is going to be on the 16-gauge straight finish nailer with a 4 amp hour battery for the 379, saving 99 bucks. That's 21% off. Then they have the 23 gauge atomic series of the pin nailer with a 2 amp hour battery for the 299, saving 119, 28% off. And they have the cable stapler. So if you do a lot of wiring, or if you're an electrician, this might be a good tool to pick up for 319, saving 99 bucks, 24% off, and that comes with the 2 amp hour battery as well. Then they have the 21 degree DeWalt framing nailer with a 5 amp hour battery, and it looks like the extended magazine as well for 449, saving 189. That's 30% off. And here's a decent deal on Ryobi. It's on the 18 volt cordless 10-inch sliding compound miter saw with that stand for the 378, saving 190 bucks, 33% off. And obviously you could do other projects on that stand, and it folds up nice and easy. It does have that platform, so you can stack boxes on top of that, like the Ryobi boxes, and move it around and set up shop. Then they have the hybrid fan, this time paired with the buffer for 135, saving 197. That's 59% off. And again, it has the two 2 amp hour batteries. If you're in need of a 4 amp hour Ryobi battery with the charger, that's $89.79 today, saving $64. That's 42% off. And they have the Milwaukee M18 of the 1,000-foot green interior rotary laser level kit with a remote, receiver, and wall mount for $1,649, saving $650, 28% off. And the next deal is going to be on the Milwaukee SAE of the ratcheting combination wrench set. It's a 15-piece set total for $189. Saving almost 91, that's 32% off. Then they have a 191-piece mechanics tool set for $809, saving 390 bucks. That's 33% off. Still pretty pricey in my opinion. And then they have the PVA towels, again, the 10-pack for 60 bucks, which I do have one of these, and it does work pretty decent, but you do have to continuously dunk it in water to refresh the coolness of it. But it certainly does help in this Florida heat. All right, next options from Milwaukee is both the SAE and the metric. Your option of either one, 15-piece of the combination wrench set with the pack out for $129, saving almost 61 bucks. That's 32% off. So again, your options of the SAE or metric. Then they have the 48-inch to 78-inch red stick expandable magnetic box level for $199, saving 80 bucks, 29% off. And then they have the green rotary laser remote control and receiver for $329, saving $152.39, 32% off. And they have a single plane laser level kit on the M12 Milwaukee for $349, saving 130 bucks, 27% off. And then they have the DeWalt 20/12 volt crossline laser level. It is tool only for the $449, saving $190, 30% off. And then they have the DeWalt 3/8 inch of the SAE hex socket set, 6 pieces for 30 bucks, saving 15, 33% off. Then they have the 4500 Milwaukee M18 of the Rover dual power triple panel floodlight with a 2 amp hour battery for $179, saving $130, 42% off. I would actually kind of recommend, if you don't have an immediate need for this one in particular, then maybe wait for the holiday deal, because I picked it up, I think it'll be 2 years ago this December, where they had this as an option as a free tool when you're buying the $199 2 5 amp hour battery kit. And so obviously I think it's worth the wait to get the extra 5 amp hour battery. Will actually be 2 5 amp hour batteries versus the 1 2 amp hour battery here today. So even though it is good savings, I recommend waiting to see what they do in the future. All right, next options are going to be the Milwaukee Impact sockets in the 1/2 inch SAE deep well. It's a 12-piece set for 65 bucks, saving 35. That's 35% off. And they have another SAE set in the 3/8 drive for $40, saving 45. 53% off. That's a better deal. And then they have the whole dozer kit, 17-piece set for 60 bucks, saving 60, 50% off. And for $44.88 is a 20-piece of the Milwaukee oscillating blade kit. That's saving $45. That's also 50% off. That one also includes a scraper as well. And it has the different grits of the sanding paper and the different styles of oscillating blades. So it looks like a good, well-rounded kit right there for only 45 bucks. And the next Milwaukee option on the oscillating blades, 4-pack of the titanium charged bimetal blades. And then they have a 9-piece oscillating blades with that case for 45 bucks, saving $24, 35% off. Another decent deal there on oscillating blades. Then they have the Milwaukee M18 of the 3/8 impact wrench with a 5 amp hour battery, as well as the pack out of the 36-piece impact sockets in the 3/8 drive for $399, saving $280, 41% off. And for $70 is the multi-blades again. It looks very similar to the other kit actually, where it's only $45. So I recommend passing on this one. It's saving $34. That's 33% off. And they seem to have doubled down for $75. They have it with the 4-pack again, and then they have the 15-piece set with the sanding disc for the $75, saving $44, 37% off. Next up from Milwaukee is on the Cobalt Red Helix drill bit set. It's a 29-piece set for $109, saving $56, 34% off. Then they have the 3-piece set of the step drill bit set from Milwaukee for $65, saving $50. And they have the 3 amp hour XC battery for $99, saving $87. I recommend passing on that one. And here seems to be a great deal on the Milwaukee 7¼ inch 24 tooth framing circular saw blades. 4-pack of them for $25, saving $14. That's 36% off. Another 7¼ inch saw blade option is on the fine finish ones for $27. It's a 2-pack of them, saving $12, 31% off. And another whole dozer kit. It's on the 11-piece kit with a axe blade for $55, saving $38. That's 41% off. Then they have the DeWalt door lock installation kit for $30, saving almost $10, 24% off. Then they have the cooling microfiber towel, 10-pack of them again for $80. If any of you happen to use this microfiber towel, let me know how you like it. I would not get a 10-pack of them, but I would probably just get one of them to test it out compared to the other PVA towel. And that's going to be it for today's deals, which is Monday, August 17th, 2026. So if you're watching this video after this date, unfortunately, these deals are no longer in effect. But be sure that you are subscribed to the channel so I can bring these deals to you so you won't miss out. And if you did enjoy this video, I really appreciate you giving it a thumbs up. Consider using the affiliate link in the description below as a pinned comment. Again, I really appreciate that support. It really does help the channel. Helps me bring these tool deal videos to you. And I will see you in the next one. Crasher out.